guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you a B&M haul. I hope you all enjoy. If you'd like to see what I got from B&M, then keep on watching. Right, so you're gonna have to bear with me because it's a bit of a mess, but I got a dream catcher. I thought that'd be very nice in the kids' room, and it was only £3. I got these curtains, which I thought were very nice. They've got little sparkles on, if you can see that. I needed some for my living room, so, and these ones were $39.99, which was 228 centimetres long, so I thought that was a good buy. I then picked up some Italian herbs because I like that with my chicken, and I've got some garlic ones, some garlic and herb wedgie things, seasoning, hickory smoked maple cooking sauce. I thought that would be quite nice. I always get this from B&M. It's the nicest sauce ever. If you haven't tried it, I would try it. I picked up some paracetamol for the kids and some Pirites because I'm pretty sure my son at the moment has got hay fever, so this is for 6 years and up. And I bought him a bottle. I bought him a bottle because at the moment he needs a water bottle at school, and that was only $2.99. I also got some egg fried rice for 59p. I thought that was quite cheap. I then picked up some pink whites for the kids, 14 of them. I then picked up some Galaxy cookie mix because recently, you know, autumn and all that, I've been cooking like every day. Also picked up some Thai sweet chili sauce. Mind that screaming in the background, that's just my daughter because she won't get a lollipop yet. And then I got myself a water bottle because at the moment I'm drinking a lot of water. And these were quite good. They've got packets of ice in here, and the date on these is the 11th of the 11th 2021, so I thought they were quite good to pick up for next year. So I got purple, blue icing, I got pink icing, and I got green icing. And then I picked up some garlic puree because I'm always in need of this stuff, but I can never seem to find it, and today I did. And then some edible glitter, some Halloween sprinkles, there we go, Halloween sprinkles for the kids so we can make some Halloween cakes. I picked up these. I'm thinking my daughter might eat them because she's not eating anything else at the moment. Not cereal, not even Cocoa Pops, no nothing. She's not eating anything, not even toast, nothing. So yeah, I thought I'd try her with these. And I got some Moisture Bomb masks because, you know, I love these things. I got that one, super hydrating anti-fatigue, super hydrating glow reviving, super hydrating revitalizing. So yeah, 3 of those. I'm pretty sure the icings were 70 odd p or something like that. I think the Pop Tarts were £2 or $2.99. And the masks, they're either £1 or £1.50, maybe £2. I got the Scrub Buddies because they're the cheap version of Minkies, and they were pink, so yeah. Chicken flavoured noodles because I always grab these. Got Unstoppables as well. These ones smell, I think, the best smelling. There was a fresh one, but that one wasn't so nice. I think these ones were the best. Comfort. Got some squirty cream because I thought it would go nicely with this. Now, I heard people talking about this whilst I was in there. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be lovely for the kids as well. strawberry candy floss flavour milkshake. I got Mia, I'm pretty sure that was £1.50. Cream, I keep forgetting to tell you prices. Under £1 the cream. It's for Mia, £1. You get 6 of them, yeah. I got some Sun Bites because they're my favourite crisps ever. And they're quite good on, oh well, they're supposed to be good, but it doesn't look very good to me. Pringles for the kids. Then I got Mia a lunchbox because she's got to have lunch when she goes back to school, which is on Wednesday. Which I don't know the price of. I didn't even know the price before I paid for it, so yeah. I'm pretty sure it's probably about £6 or something like that, because there was another one there that was £7, but this one, I think it was cheaper, this one. But it comes with a little water bottle as well, so I thought that was quite handy. Then I got Korean barbecue wrap kit. I thought this would be nice. Yeah, I'm hoping it's nice. But it comes with Korean barbecue sauce, Oriental spice blend, and 8 wraps. So yeah, and it's a mild one. So we pick up some lollies for the kids. As you can see, they're everywhere. But yeah, these, I think these are £1 or £1.50, maybe £2. Not too sure. But they're always eating lollies, so it's actually cheaper to get a bigger pack of them instead of buying them at the shop. So that's all I got from B&M. I hope you all enjoyed. Please hit the like button if you did enjoy it, and press subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. I hope to see you next time. Bye!